That's how it should be done.
I seek your lordship indulgence in mentioning item number 15 of the hearing list.
Yes.
Item number 15. If this matter
The
may
only
kindly-
single hearing
Yes, if this
matter
only-
that we have. You're going to pray for adjournment.
My lord,
Why?
if it may come upon the after 2 weeks, my lord. I have some
Why?
I have some personal difficulties.
But you're here.
Yes, I have engagement. I have to take my wife to medical
Okay,
examination.
personal. We were just mentioning only one hearing matter. Hope we
Yes.
can have the hearing. But again, adjournment. Anyways, heard Mr. T. Lazakima, learned counsel for the appellant, who has prayed for adjournment of the matter by submitting that he has to attend to some personal matters. The adjournment is not objected by Mrs. Linda L. Fumble, learned public prosecutor, and Miss Emily L. Sangte, learned legal aid counsel for the respondents. In view of the above, list the matter after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
I seek your lordship's indulgence in mentioning item number 13, your lordship. Your lordship, this matter has been listed for admission hearing, but your lordship, the learned government advocate who was handling this case.
13 is an IA.
Yes, your lordship. There is an IA for admission hearing.
What is the IA about?
Your lordship, this matter has been handled by Miss Carolyn, who is on maternity leave. So, if this matter may be adjourned for today.
Will adjourn?
You're mentioning on whose behalf?
Your lordship, on behalf of Miss Carolyn.
But I'm just seeing 13. Government is saying where? The government, item number 13 in part 2.
Yes, your lordship. Yeah, part 1, your lordship.
Okay, item number 1, number 13. Government is a party or not? I'm just seeing item number 13. And it is not for admission hearing. Let me see. This is a condonation application, IA.
I am for the applicant. However, counsel for the state government is Caroline Lungoy. He is on leave.
Your lordship, as per my instructions, respondent number 58
government
to 60.
is government being a party is not reflected here,
Yes, your
isn't
lordship.
it? So in the this cost list also, the government should be reflected as the party. Otherwise, we are completely confused. Why is the government coming here? Isn't
Government
it?
is necessary.
Yes, the cost list you're not reflected. Anyways, mention is made on behalf of Ms. Caroline K. Lungoy, learned government advocate for adjournment of the matter, since the learned government advocate is not able to appear due to some personal difficulties. Ms. Zarim Sangpui, learned CGC, for the appellants have not objected. In view of the above, list after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, your lordship.
Okay. The presence of Miss, you want your name reflected? Miss so-and-so, learned counsel for private respondents.
Respondents 1 to 257.
Number 1 to
257. 257.
257 is noted. It is also seen that the state government is not reflected as a party in the cause list, the registry, to reflect the state as a party / respondent in the cause list. Yes. List after 2 weeks.
Much obliged, lordship.
1.
Yes, your lordship. As per my verbal instruction which I have received,
The Mizoram State Human Rights Commission rules drafted by the Home Department was duly approved by the Cabinet. So, Your Lordship, if I may be permitted to submit by way of affidavit in the next
The-
court date.
Rules, is it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Ms. Rosalind Elmore, learned counsel for the petition. I will give them time, isn't it, for the, is present, along with Ms. Vanna Isiami, learned government advocate for the state respondents. First up, the learned government advocate submits that the Mizoram State Human Rights Commission rules, okay, has been prepared, and prayed that she may be given time to file the said in form of an affidavit. First up. Accordingly, list after 1 week.
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Pardon?
3 weeks.
3 weeks what? It's ready, you said?
Yes, it's ready.
Then you are going to file an affidavit incorporating, okay, list after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Item 2.
Yes.
My lord, in this case, I have furnished the order which, wherein the sanction of 58 lakhs, 99 crores has been sanctioned.
You
58
said
crores,
by way of
99
an,
lakhs
yes,
has been sanctioned, my
affidavit,
lord.
so that a copy is also given.
My lord,
This is very recent, 30th April 2025.
correct, my lord. And lordship will see that it came without the details of utilization, given the present conditions of the road. My lord, as of now, my lord, it's,
So
My assumption is
when
that-
you had submitted that this amount was sanctioned, this was on, okay, 21st/05. Anyways, you give a copy of this.
so my lord, if at all the affidavits are to be filed, my lord, the details of utilization did not come with the order, the present order, so I seek another 2 weeks' time to have the information in that regard.
Okay. Then have you done your homework to look into the stretch of road, whether it's,
The photographs,
Any-
we have the photographs, ma'am,
okay, yes.
can be annexed.
We'll give them some more time. Third, Mr. Lalokung Apautu, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the state respondents had sanctioned a sum of rupees 58 crores 99 lakhs for the rehabilitation and strengthening of Aizol-Tenzol-Lunglei Road, within brackets, 100-164 KMP. Then again within brackets, you copy this, okay. Write the order dated 30/04/2025. The copy of the said order was produced in the court today. The learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that he may be allowed to file an additional affidavit incorporating the said order dated 30 April 2024, and also enclose the photographs of the said stretch of roads, recent photographs of the said stretch of road, so as to highlight the condition of the road as of today. Then what did you say? The utilization of the funds?
Yes, yes, the funds have not been utilized. My presumption only, my lord.
And to show that the said funds have not been, appears not to have been utilized by the respondents. By the, yes, state respondents, okay. In view of the above submission, we grant 2 weeks' time for the petitioner to file the said affidavit. The presence of Ms. Van Isyani, learned counsel for government advocate for the respondents is noted. List after 2 weeks.
I'm obliged.
Item 3.
May it please your lordship, I am here for the petitioner. And as per the last court order dated 13/8/2023, the respondents were granted 2 weeks' time to file their affidavit, and no affidavit has been filed till date, my lord, my lords. Yes, your lordship. In that regard, as an advocate, your lordship, I have taken the liberty of filing, drafting an affidavit, and I have also sent the draft affidavit to the concerned departments as well. Your lordship, if I may be allowed to submit my forwarding letter for the draft affidavit before the court for record, your lordship.
Okay. Heard Miss
Rosie Malom Sangi, my lord.
Rosila Lomsangi, learned counsel for the petitioner, full stop. Also heard Ms. Lalmun Lui, learned government advocate for the state respondents, full stop. The learned government advocate submits that she has prepared the draft affidavit to be duly approved by the concerned department, and has also submitted the
Forwarding letter, your lordship.
forwarding letter dated 01/09/2025, showing that the draft affidavit has been sent to the concerned department for approval. The learned government advocate does pray that she may be given
Lordship, 3 weeks'
further
time may be
3
granted,
weeks'
your
time to file the affidavit after obtaining the approval of the concerned department. Accordingly, list after 3 weeks.
Much obliged, lordship. Much obliged.
Item 4.
Lord, in this matter, I have filed affidavit in opposition. I'm for the private respondent number 1.
So now, readings complete.
The matter may be fixed for admission hearing, my lord.
This is an appeal.
Yes.
So when it's a writ appeal, we will listen. We will admit and list it for hearing.
My lord, the appeal has already been admitted.
Already admitted,
Yes,
is it?
yes.
So we'll list it for hearing. Yes. In fact, a written affidavit was also not required from the respondents. But since it was allowed previously, we have gone along.
Yes.
Because once it's admitted, parties are notified, we can list the matter for hearing,
My lord.
isn't it? But since it was allowed previously, we're just going along. Anyways, Mr. T. Lal Zakima, learned counsel for the appellant is present, along with Mr. H. Zodin Sanga, learned counsel for respondent number 1.
Yes.
Who submits that he has filed his counter affidavit and that the matter is ready for hearing. The presence of Ms. Zaram Sankwi, learned CGC for respondents number 7 is noted. So, in view of the above, matter to be listed for hearing in due course as per its order. Yes.
Obliged.
Item 5.
Lordship, service to respondent number 2, Lordship, is not completed, if I'm not mistaken. So we'll still have to wait for that. And in the meantime, Lordship, if the correspondence service, my lord, the registry might be directed, my lord, to keep track of the online progress of the service, if possible.
Yes, Mr. Seal
And in the
Zoram Chana, yes, learned yes, what do you have to submit?
And I have a interim prayer, Lordship,
Uh,
which earlier was not, I failed to mention. So if that may kindly be granted, my lord.
where, what is the interim pay?
Interim prayer for staying of the operation of the impugned order, my lord.
What is the impugned order?
impugn
Okay, the judgment.
the judgment which
What
I
does
have.
the judgment say?
Yes. The judgment says, Lordship.
When you forget to pray for
Yes,
stay, that means it's not really so urgent, or it's not really going to affect you, is it?
It's urgent, my lord, unless state.
You are not going to be affected, so adversely affected with the order, it appears.
Yes, Lordship.
And
If I
you,
may
where's
take
this thing, judgment?
Page number, the operative
The-
part is
yes,
page
of the-
number 8, my lord. 8 of my appeal.
No, the judgment,
Yes.
stay of the judgment, okay, page number 8. What is the, please read.
Paragraph number 10, my lord. In view of fine meriting the writ petition and the respondent numbers 1 and 2 are therefore directed to refund the forfeit amount of provident fund money to the petitioner who is the legal heir of the late employee of the bank. Ordinarily, court would have considered imposition of appropriate interest along with the refund, but since the petitioner has approached court after 17 years and therefore interest not being so the respondent are therefore directed to refund the amount of rupees so and so within 2 months, my lord.
Okay,
So-
so you want this to be stayed, okay?
Unless, my lord, yes, unless
But
this is
the earlier portion, after about 17 years, you had approached over.
yes, that is one of my ground, my lord. The petitioner respondent herein, my lord, had approached lordship, this honorable court, after 17 years of the incident. That is one of my ground, my lord.
Anyways, let's see.
My lord.
You are for the
Respondent number 1.
respondent number 1 is the private respondent.
Privateness.
Veerala, sister? Respondent 2 notice is not complete. Respondent number 2 is the, who is respondent number 2?
Respondent number 2 is the Provident Fund, my lord, commissioner.
So I don't think that is
Employee
really required.
Provident
His
Fund
presence is
Organization, ma'am.
required, no? For the time being. Yes, heard Mr. Caesar Ramchana, learned counsel for the appellant. Along with Mr.
Stephen Lalbuatsaya.
C. Vandal Vatsaya, learned counsel for respondent number 1. What do you have to say concerning his submission?
My lord,
No
we have-
objection?
we have not received a appeal memo yet.
Remember, I have to furnish them today, my lord. I'll furnish.
The learned counsel for respondent number 1 submits that he has not received a copy of the appeal memo till date. Full stop. Accordingly, the learned counsel for the appellant is to furnish requisite copies of the appeal memo to the counsel for respondent number 1. Full stop. It is also seen that notice upon respondent number 2 is not complete till date, since there is no return. We may await for a return of service of notice upon respondent number 2. Good stop. Then the learned counsel for the appellant has also prayed for the stay of the operation of the impugned order NWPC number 116 of 2023 dated 18/10/2024, wherein the learned single judge had directed the appellants to refund the forfeited amount of rupees 5,79,376 within a period of 2 months from the date of receipt of the said judgment in order. We have considered the submission made by the learned counsel for the appellant and find it appropriate to stay the operation of the impugned judgment and order in WPC, same copy paste, okay, till the disposal of the said writ petition. List the matter after 2 weeks.
And in the meantime, my lord, if possible, the registry may be kindly directed to keep track of correspondence.
2 weeks. Meanwhile, the registry may keep track of the consignment of the notice issued to the respondent number 2.
Deeply obliged.
Item 6.
Yes,
Yes, Your Lordship, I'm representing the state respondent number 1 to 5, and I'm seeking another 2 weeks' time to file my affidavit in commission.
oh, the road condition,
Yes, Your
is it? This is the main road, so we'll give them time.
My lords, may I just
What is the situation right now? Some improvement?
My lords, on ground as per the instructions I've received from my clients is that there is no works going on the ground. There are sanctions. There are the NHIDCL has issued tenders. That is my limited instruction. So my lords, that is the work, or else it's mainly the NGOs who are actually doing the work on the ground. This is my limited instruction. So my lords, I understand Miss Rosaline's PIL is also listed and it's due to be listed after 30.
But it's a different stretch of road completely.
Either your lordships can tag it with that.
No need to, will, because it's a completely different stretch of road, they're not mentioning that. Yes. Mr. Jordan Rohington, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Ms. Vane Siami, learned government advocate for the state respondents, and Mr. Samuel, learned
Standing counsel.
standing counsel for
Respondent 7 to
and
10.
respondent number
7 to 10.
7 to 10. The learned counsel for the respondents have prayed for the further time to file their respective affidavits. Full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that as per the information received by him from the petitioners, though funds appear to have been sanctioned for the repair slash construction of roads. Where's the stretch within the
My lords, this is the
roads under NH 306 and 06 within brackets, package 3 to package 8. However, till date, no, physical or what the term that you
my lords,
use?
your lordships may say
No works, no groundwork
ground.
has been done within the said stretch of road, which is causing much hardship to the public in general. Full stop. The counsels for the respondents are to file their affidavit addressing the said submission made, also addressing the said submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner by the next court date. Huh? Yes.
If I may please, my lords, on the next date, we can show photographic images of the work progress, my lord. Everything is there. What the council has
Also
submitted
addressing
is
the
not quite true.
submission made by the, so it's you address the submission,
Yes.
okay. In view of the above list after, how long will you take? 3 weeks?
2 weeks, ma'am. If the work is in
3
progress.
weeks. Yeah, it's a long stretch of road, my lord.
List after 3
cannot be
weeks,
completed
something
in a day.
positive. Okay, yes.
Grateful.
Item 7.
Lordships here, Lordships was pleased to issue notice on 16 July. Respondents 1 to 6 are represented by the standing councils, my lords. Respondent 7, who is a private respondent, he has received notice on 28 July as per correspondence file. Your Lordship,
Let's see,
while issuing notice, had also said that the promotion would be subject to outcome of the petition. My lords, the promotion orders I've got. He was just promoted. The orders were issued just day before on 1st of September.
the respondent
the
subject to,
respondent,
so outcome, so
Yes.
his promotion becomes not to what?
Yes, my lords. My lords, those orders I have given to the Grand Court Master.
So now the private respondent, he's received notice,
Yes.
is it? Is an AD card returned?
Yes, my lords.
Okay, yes. Respondent number 7 is represented? No.
My lords, all I'm seeking today is, my lords, not more than 2 weeks. Much time has elapsed, my lords. The recruitment rules are clearly contrary to the act, my lords.
Anyways, heard Mr. John Roman, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that by the notification dated 01/09/2025, the private respondent number 7 has been promoted to the post of Chief Town Planner at level 13. Full stop, okay. He also submits that the private respondent is not represented today, though AD card is returned from private respondent as per the office note dated 28/08/2025. The learned counsel submits that, considering the nature of the writ petition, he prayed that the matter may be listed again after 2 weeks. Then Ms. Vanessiami, learned government advocate, and Mr. Ropunga Pautu, learned counsel for respondent number.
I'm appearing on behalf of my senior.
Okay, learned appearing on behalf of his senior, Mr. J.C. Lalnun Sang, standing counsel for respondent number 5. Have both prayed for further time to file their counter affidavits. In view of the above submissions, list the matter after 2 weeks.
Grateful, my lords.
Orders, item 9.
May it please your lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior citizen. He cannot appear today due to personal difficulties.
What is
However,
the stage?
A paper book has been received and the matter can be fixed for hearing.
This is under section
21C, NGNPS.
or NDNPS. So paper book is ready, received? We can list it for hearing? Yes, Mr.
I'm appearing on behalf of my senior citizen Fakzola.
Mr. So-and-so appears, your name?
Cross Mingtanga.
Cross Mingtanga appears on behalf of his senior Mr. Lal Fakzwala, learned counsel for the appellant, along with Ms. Bani Siami, learned additional PP for the state respondents. Full stop. It is seen that paper book is prepared and duly furnished to both the councils. In view of the above, matter be listed for hearing in due course as per its own term. Yes.
Right.
Item 10.
Yes. Notice is to be complete.
My lord, in this
You had read
IA,
for Dusty, isn't it?
in
Yes.
this IA 36, my lord, this is for production of additional evidence. This IA is for
Oh.
production of
Yeah,
I
you were
have-
supposed to, the same. Yes, through Dusty
I
mode.
have tried, we have tried, the respondent number 2 is residing in Bung Tlang South, which is a part of Long Sai district. But although they have tried to serve the copy, she refused to receive the copy. And this is the reason I could not file the return of the Dusty notice. But I have prepared an affidavit indicating that the respondent number 2 had refused to accept the notice.
So file
And-
the affidavit.
Yes, my lord, I'll be filing that affidavit during the course of the day. And leaving the incident aside for the time being, my lord, in the main appeal, notice was issued and the learned PP was directed to take steps upon the respondent number 2 through the concerned police station. And no report has been made by the learned PP till date in respect of the main appeal. Although I have served copy of those memo of appeal to the learned PP on 20th of March. And besides that, my lord, there's another IA which is for suspension. And in that case, my lord, on the last occasion, I have taken steps up by way of Dusty. And in that IA, she had received, the other two had received, and I have filed my Dusty affidavit.
Where's the other eye?
IA 12 of 2025. My affidavit, here the respondent number 2 had received on May 14th.
So we'll appoint a legal aid counsel.
Yes, my
then,
lord. Yes, my lord.
Isn't it? Even if a notice is not complete in the main appeal, if in the IA notice has been served, then we will appoint a legal aid counsel not being represented, and then we can pursue, go ahead with the case, isn't it? So we will pass the order in the IA 36 of 2025. Heard Mr. Victor L. Rathe, learned counsel for the applicant, who submits that he will be filing his affidavit showing that the respondent number 2 has refused to notify the affidavit also, he just mentioned, okay, a learned counsel for the, who submits that though attempt was made to serve notice to respondent number 2 through Dusty mode, however, the respondent number 2 has refused, he said, to accept the notice. In view of the above, considering that the case involves the POCSO Act, this court find it fit to appoint someone, Emily, yes, Emily L. Changte as legal aid counsel to represent respondent number 2 in the present IA, along with the connected IA 12/2025 and the main criminal appeal 5/2025. Yes. Now, in the main criminal appeal, TCR is called, everything is
Paperbook ready.
ready. So, I think we have to, must have been given also, copy of the paper book should be given to, anyways, no, in the present IA 36 of 2025, I think this matter can also be considered along with the
Yes, my
criminal
lord.
appeal.
Yes, my lord.
No. Then in the main criminal appeal, okay, Mr. Victor L. Rolte, learned counsel for the appellant, is present, along with Ms. Vanessiami, learned additional PP, and Ms. Emily El Sante, learned counsel for the learned legal aid counsel for respondent number 2. The registry to furnish copies of the paper book to the learned counsels for the parties and list the matter for hearing in due course as per its own turn, wherein the connected IA's number 36 of 2025 and IA number 12 of 2025 will be considered along with the main criminal appeal. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
You support a copy of the IA also, the legal aid counsel?
Yes, my lord.
Uh-huh.
Item 11.
My lord, I am
Now,
for
in
the
those
applicant.
orders, you just add PCR to be called for and registry to prepare paper book. Just add that line. Yes,
My lord, it is returned, but none appear for the other side.
so we can read. Miss Learned CGC, Jairam Sangpui, Learned CGC is present. And full stop. It is seen that AD card from respondents is still awaited. Return of AD card from the respondents is still awaited. In view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
Yes, madam. Obliged.
Hearing has been adjourned.